guys, welcome back to One Mother Artist. I'm so excited because today I am unboxing my order from Artistic Isle. So my first video on the channel was about Artistic Isle. I think it's an amazing woman-run company. So I had ordered some paints and her birthday VIP box. So oh, look at this wonderful postcard from Artistic Isle. Oh, and I have a discount code for my next purchase. Fantastic. Alright, so let's open up with this. Oh, alright, yay! Okay, so I had ordered some colors, and Wild Orchid. Is it focusing? I hope it is. There we go. And oh my gosh, so in the birthday part, you got 3 half pans and some goodies. So I'm thinking the Wild Orchid is part of the birthday thing. Oh, charming! It's metallic. Oh, let me see if I can get the lighting. There we go. It's beautiful. And then Carmine. Oh my gosh, I love all these colors. And she packaged it, and she just grouped them so well together. I mean, they're all going to go so well together in a painting. And then I got this. No, wait a minute. Oh, maybe these are the ones I ordered. I don't know. I ordered so many things from her. Okay, so I don't know. Let's see, I have, okay, I'm just gonna cut this open because I'm super excited. Okay, so I have a sample card of Coral Blossom, Grass Green, and Gray Star. I'm really interested in her Gray Star paints, so I can't wait to swatch that out. And then this was the birthday, stand corrected, this was the birthday surprise mystery bag, and it is Prussian Blue, Cabernet, which I believe is a metallic, ferrite yellow, and burnt sienna. Everybody could always have a thing of burnt sienna. Let me put it away. It's gorgeous. So with the happy birthday mystery bag box, you had 3 half pans and 1 full pan. So then I must have ordered these charming. I don't think I ordered a Carmine. I don't know. I don't think so. Definitely I ordered Wild Orchid. And then in here, these are the ones I know I ordered. More Dragon. Love Dragon. And Wisp. And then, oh, look at that. A little magnet with her information on the back. And then, oh, a little notepad. My son will love this. He loves rainbows. Candy, saving that for my son. And then I got these coupons. Not coupons. These are like raffle tickets. And I think you're entered to win some sort of prize. I'm not quite sure. So thank you for joining me for my unboxing of my Artistic Isle. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit subscribe and like. I have not totally figured out YouTube yet, but I will try to put links to her shop below. And I'm hoping to become an Amazon influencer soon, so I will once I do, I will link up everything. Thanks guys, bye.